Hi, this is soldering iron holder number 2. Simple to make, cheap to buy. These in this pack are doorstop springs. You have the doorstop. You screw this onto the back there. I hope you've seen that. Alright. Unscrew that. Screw that bit onto the wall. Screw this piece in. You see that end? Screw it in. And there's your doorstop. Spring it. Throw that bit away, you don't need that. Take the rubber or plastic cap off, and all you've got is the end. Now, with a pair of pliers, try and get inside the spring. Right, right, this part, I hope you can see, just bend it down, like so. Alright, these are only for small, lightweight soldering irons. Right, there's the original. There's this one. This is open up to screw in the top. Just get a pair of snips, if you can, just past where it closes. Try and cut them. Obviously these aren't big enough, powerful enough, sharp enough. I hope I'm in focus still. Try another pair. See what these ones are like. A bigger pair of pliers. Put them in. Last time I done this with angle grinder, but that's in my shed. I'm now in my living room. You can of course use a Dremel. I've got a Dremel down by my legs. I can't be bothered to take it out. There, done it. And it's opened. That was a waste. But just bend it in a bit. Now, you get a washer and a screw. I've got a smaller one here. Hope it fits and doesn't come through the other side. Yep. Put the screw in the hole. Screwdriver. and screw it down. Position it anywhere you want. I'm going to position it there. Just here, I'm going to have a small tub. I'm still waiting for it in the post, but I'm going to have a small tub with some brass wiring to clean the tip. And I've got some brass wire somewhere. My desk is a mess. I wonder where I put that. Where's my tin? I've got a tin with some in somewhere. Oh. No, can't find it. Could put anything you want there. You could put a stand, put soldering iron on it. But in here, this is a little metal razor tin. And I've got to pop up another one of these. Done the same, pops up, pops up. And I've got a TS, put it in the right end, TS100 soldering iron. And there's your soldering iron holder. The one in the tin that I made, same there. That one closes down with the lid. If you see on there, Valet Auto Strop Safety Razor, made in Great Britain. No razor in it. Perfect fit for the TS100, or like this, the SQ-001. It's the upgrade of the TS100. And closes down. All you need, pair of pliers or cutters and a screwdriver, block of wood and a door stop. So simple, easy to make. Thanks for looking. Bye.